Hello and welcome back to English Unleashed, your space to listen, shadow, repeat, and feel confident with English. I'm David, and I'm proud of you for being here. In this episode, we will go deep into your day, your thoughts, your words. You will speak. You will listen. You will grow. One sentence at a time. One breath at a time. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out slowly. Right. Let's start with your morning. Morning is where the day begins. Let's go step by step. Listen. Then repeat. I wake up early in the morning. Sometimes I open my eyes and stay in bed for a minute. I stretch my arms and legs. I breathe slowly and think about the day ahead. Then I sit up and I stand up slowly. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. Sometimes I take a quick shower. Water helps me feel awake and clean. After the shower, I dry my body and put on clothes. I choose something comfortable. Then I walk to the kitchen. I prepare a simple breakfast. I usually eat bread, fruit, or eggs. Sometimes I drink tea or coffee. I like to eat slowly in the morning. While I eat, I listen to music or just enjoy the silence. Before I leave home, I check my phone. I look at the time, the weather, and my messages. Then I pack my bag and get ready to go. Let's shadow that whole morning routine. I will speak slowly. You repeat after each sentence. Let's go. I wake up at 7:00 in the morning. I stretch and sit up in bed. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then I take a quick shower. I dry off and get dressed. I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I eat slowly and enjoy the calm. Then I check my phone and get ready to leave. Now you. Describe your morning. Say I wake up at. Then say I usually. Now talk about breakfast. What do you eat? Very good. Let's talk about the afternoon now. The middle of the day. Many people work, study, or rest. Repeat after me. After lunch, I return to work. I check my messages and answer emails. Sometimes I feel a little tired. I drink water or tea to stay fresh. I write notes or organize my tasks. I sometimes meet with other people. We talk about work, projects, or plans. Around 3:00, I take a short break. I stand up and stretch my back and arms. If the weather is nice, I go outside. I walk for a few minutes and breathe deeply. Then I return and continue my work. Let's do a story together now. I tell a short afternoon routine. You listen and shadow each sentence. Let's go. After lunch, I sit at my desk. I open my laptop and check my calendar. I read messages and make a to-do list. I finish some small tasks one by one. At 3:00, I get up and walk to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Then I go outside for 5 minutes. I come back and write a few notes for tomorrow. Now you. Talk about your afternoon. Say after lunch, I usually. Then say I often. What do you do when you take a break? Very good. Let's now move to the evening. Evening is time to rest and relax. Let's repeat slowly. I come home around 6:00 in the evening. I take off my shoes and sit down. I talk to my family or rest quietly. I prepare dinner with something simple. Sometimes I eat with others. Other times I eat alone and listen to soft music. After dinner, I clean the table and wash the dishes. I take a shower and change into comfortable clothes. Before bed, I read a book or listen to music. I check my phone one last time, then put it away. I go to sleep around 10:30 or 11:00. Now a story evening version. Repeat after me. At 6:00, I come home and put down my bag. I sit on the couch and breathe slowly. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare dinner. After eating, I wash the dishes and clean the counter. Then I go take a hot shower. I dry off, put on pajamas, and sit with a book. I read a few pages and close my eyes. I sleep peacefully. #, welcome back. Now let's explore how you feel, because your emotions are important in English too. Let's begin with simple feelings. Repeat slowly after me. I feel happy today. Sometimes I feel tired in the afternoon. When I learn English, I feel proud. I feel relaxed when I listen to music. Now let's go deeper. Say, I feel nervous when I speak English. But I also feel brave when I try. I feel calm when I speak slowly. Now you. Say how you feel right now. I feel. Great. Let's build your vocabulary. Repeat after me. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. I'm focused. I'm ready. Let us say them again louder this time. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. I'm focused. I'm ready. Excellent. Let's now talk about your habits. What do you usually do? Repeat these with me. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I always brush my teeth before bed. I sometimes go for a walk in the evening. I never skip breakfast. Now you. Say a habit you have. I always. I usually. I sometimes. Very nice. Let's now talk about what you like and don't like. Repeat slowly. I like reading books. I like learning English with podcasts. I don't like loud noises. I don't like feeling rushed. I enjoy walking slowly. I enjoy quiet mornings. Now you. Say something you like. I like. Say something you enjoy. I enjoy. Now say something you don't like. I don't like. Well done. Let's now ask and answer simple questions. Repeat with me. Where do you live? I live in a small city. What do you do? I work in an office. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7:00. What do you like to eat? I like to eat eggs and fruit. Let's go faster. Where do you live? I live in. What do you do? I am a. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Wait. Let's now practice with a full self-introduction. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is David. I'm learning English. I live in a small town and I enjoy slow mornings. In the morning, I wake up at 7 and make coffee. I go to work and speak a little English every day. In the evening, I rest and study a little more. I like podcasts like this one. Now you. Introduce yourself. Say, my name is. I live in. In the morning, I usually. During the day, I. In the evening, I like to. Perfect. Let's now focus on your goals. Repeat these affirmations. I want to speak English confidently. I want to understand more when I listen. I want to speak without fear. I am getting better every day. Now say this with strength. I believe in my English. I believe in my voice. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to show up and try. Excellent work. Let's finish with some rhythm and shadowing. Repeat each phrase like an echo. I speak slowly and clearly. I take time to think. I use the words I know. I don't rush. I speak with kindness. I listen to understand. I grow with every word. I am a real English speaker. Let's do one final visualization. Close your eyes. Imagine you are sitting in a calm room. You speak English clearly and slowly. You are not nervous. You feel calm and ready. Now imagine you are outside. You say hello to a new friend in English. They smile. You smile. You speak and listen with ease. That is your future. And it starts here. Let's take a final deep breath. And exhale with peace. Now repeat these closing affirmations. I am learning. I am growing. I am proud. I am consistent. I am an English speaker. Thank you for showing up today. You listened, you spoke, you practiced. That is powerful. This is English Unleashed. I'm David, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep speaking, and never stop believing in your voice. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.